Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send PDF file on Instagram. So first of all, you have to open your Google Drive app and now tap on this plus icon and tap on upload and select here the PDF file and now tap on this three dot icon, tap on share and tap on manage access. If it's restricted, you have to tap on change, tap on restricted and select anyone with the link and tap on this URL icon to the right hand corner and your PDF link will be copied. Now open your Instagram and open the conversation where you want to send the PDF file and simply paste the PDF link here and tap on send, and that's we can send PDF files on Instagram. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.